Students, welcome to BSAP Academy online classes. Students, in this video today we will study about menstrual cycle. Students, the reproductive cycle in female primates like monkey, apes and human is called menstrual cycle, and the first menstrual cycle begins at the puberty and is called menarche. In human females, menstrual is repeated at an average interval of about 28 to 29 days, and the cycle of events starting from one menstruation till the next one is called menstrual cycle. One ovum is released during the middle of each menstrual cycle. So, the major events of menstrual cycles are menstruation phase, follicular phase and luteal phase. There are three phases in life of an organism: juvenile phase, reproductive phase and senescence phase. Reproductive phase, organism give birth to its progeny. When the reproductive phase in human females start at the time of puberty at the age of 12 to 13 years, it is first menstruation cycle is called menarche. The cyclic path of menstrual cycle is of 28 days and it has four phases. Four phases means first phase menstrual phase, follicular phase and ovulatory phase and last luteal phases. Each phase of menstrual cycle is marked by simultaneous changes in the uterus, ovary and secretions of hormones. During the menstrual phases, the endometrium lining of the uterus with blood vessels breaks down and with blood, mucus and other dead cells to form menses. Menses is discharged from vagina. As in form of menstrual flow, it lasts for 3 to 5 days from the beginning of menstrual cycle. The absence of menstrual cycle indicative of pregnancy or ovarian disorder such as the polycystic ovarian disorder or even factors such as the stress and ill health. The menstrual phase is followed by follicular phase which occurs between the 6 and 14 days of menstrual cycle. During this phase, the primary follicles in the ovary is mature into the Graafian follicles and simultaneously the endometrium undergoes proliferation and the process of regeneration which form new thick endometrium. Follicular phase is followed by the ovulatory phase which occurs during the midday of menstrual cycle. During this phase, the Graafian follicles ruptures and to releases an ovum and the process called ovulation. The ovulatory phase is succeeded by the luteal phase and it is the last phase of the menstrual cycle which occurs between the days of 16 to 28 of menstrual cycle. In this phase, the remains of the Graafian follicles converts into yellow mass of corpus luteum. After luteal phase, again the next cycle starts. In menstrual cycle, the endometrium and corpus luteum play an important role in the early stage of conception. Students, when the fertilized egg is get embedded in, it provide nourishment to the developing embryo, and the corpus luteum other hand start secretions of hormone progesterone, which help the maintaining endometrium for proper implantation and help to grow of an embryo. In the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates and trigger the breakdown of endometrium, and this marks the start of menstruation and beginning of new menstruation cycle. The phases of menstrual cycle is under control of different types of hormones, which is secreted by ovary and the pituitary glands, which secreted two hormones LH and FSH, which stimulated the formation of primary follicles. However, the amount of estrogen and progesterone releases during this time is less, which causes the thinning of endometrium, and the releasing of FSH and LH stimulate the formation of follicles. Moreover, LH and FSH help in maturing follicles and release of estrogen, which help in proliferation of endometrium. The increased level of estrogen in turn cause the anterior pituitary glands to release LH and FSH, and during ovulation the level of LH and FSH are that peak, and this is causes ovulation by rupturing the Graafian follicles and turning the Graafian follicles into corpus luteum, and at this time estrogen level is also higher and causes thickening of endometrium, and when the corpus luteum secreted a large amount of progesterone, the level of FSH and LH goes down, and also level of estrogen goes down, and it contains causes the thickening of endometrium due to the high level of progesterone. However, in the absence of fertilized egg, the corpus luteum stops releasing the progesterone and degenerates, drops the level of progesterone, in turn trigger menstruation, and again restart the secretions of LH and FSH by the pituitary glands. Menstrual cycle normally stops at the age of 45 to 50, and this phase is called menopause. By this way, the menstrual cycle is an important process in woman's body, and it consists of 4 phases which are controlled by hormones released by ovary and pituitary glands. Now students, we will study about the topic fertilization and implantation in next video, part 6. Okay, thanks.